Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday,
You know I gotta hustle, baby, gotta eat. And I'm in love with the money, so I'm in the street. My money stretched long, swag like lava. I'm still spinning old paper. Grandfather. Welcome to the channel. This your boy Brandy.
It's your girl Marcy.
And this is probably the first or the second. I don't know. By the time you watch the video, I don't know which video it is gonna be. Maybe the first video. But we here at one of our favorite spots called El Nibbanuk.
Right.
It's in Michigan. So if you're ever in Michigan, stop by. It's at, let's see, say 2750 Haggerty Road. In the video you will see, I'm gonna zoom in on the actual address and everything, but it's 2750 Haggerty Road, West Bloomfield. If you need the phone number, it's 248-669-3344. Got some excellent food. Go ahead.
Yeah, just if you like Mexican food, this one of the best Mexican restaurants Michigan has. So it's on top of the list for me personally. I like it.
Yeah, sorry about this thing in here. I'm gonna get a better little gimbal thing. So I'm gonna see if I can get a little better picture of us. The more videos you see, the better I'm gonna get. I've been on YouTube for a while. I stopped, but now I'm back. I'm doing a bunch of things. I do have a sneaker channel called Dope Ass Sneakers. And now I got this channel where on this channel, you're gonna see us cooking. I'm cooking, her cooking, we're cooking together. You're gonna see our kids, you're gonna see us eating good. You're gonna see us at restaurants, trying out fast food stuff. The latest stuff that's around our city that a lot of people don't do. You know, you're gonna see a lot in this video, on our channel. So my thing is, it don't matter if I'm at my house, if I'm at a restaurant, if I'm at my mama's house or your mama's house, I'ma eat good.
So good and tasty.
And you know I'm gonna eat something light. So anything else you wanna say, man?
Yeah, I mean, something with food, it's something that everybody does on a regular, everyday basis. You gotta eat, so you might
Gotta
go
eat.
eat something good, you know.
Exactly.
You gotta eat something good, whether you at home, you going to a restaurant, fast food, you out of town traveling, like that's just something that we do every day. We gotta eat. So
Yeah, let me zoom into this.
Some good food though.
Let me zoom into this, the address. I don't know if y'all can get that, but that's it. Y'all can zoom in on there, but that's the address, phone number, everything I just said. There, that's the place. It's called El Nibbanuk. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on, because we're going to be dropping bangers, man. A whole bunch of videos. Me and the wife just out at one of our favorite spots. Complimentary salsa and chips. I'm sure most Mexican places do. That's my beautiful wife.
Yeah, we've been to both locations, by the way.
Can I be in the vlog?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, welcome to El Nibbanuk. How you guys been? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, good to see you. That's pretty sweet.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, fun. You gonna make some content?
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Look, we even got all the staged actors. Set up, making it look like it's busy.
Right.
What are we drinking tonight?
For me, let me get some. Do y'all got fruit punch or just lemonade?
Like make strawberry lemonade?
Yeah, that's cool.
Coke or Pepsi product?
Cool.
I'll take a Coke. It's cheese queso. You might want to try it.
The queso?
Is it queso?
Yeah, we have the white queso.
Yeah, let me try that.
With
Yeah.
chorizo in it.
Yeah.
Real good.
Yeah.
See there? Good idea. You just said that when we came in.
I just got some of this queso. This is delicious. These seasoned chips and this ground beef. It's delicious. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's that good.
We gotta go to the Vulture in downtown Hollywood. We've been there a lot.
It is good.
Hold on.
It's hard how you got to do it.
Strawberry lemonade, pretty good. This queso is a problem. That cheese is.
Alright, what's for dinner? We'll start with Blue Moon. Beef and chicken? Not a beef and who else is on it, okay?
There's something special.
What are you having down in the end?
I would like the combination of
Whew. Be back in a minute. I'm back. Got the 3 tacos, the beef and 1 chicken. They do come with complimentary rice.
And beans on the side too.
Fried beans on the sides. My wife got, what's yours?
Beef and chicken nachos, and then I add jalapenos and tomatoes to it. Put my own little twist on it. It don't come with jalapenos and tomatoes, but I add it to it. 'Cause that's just my little style.
This is one of our first spots we came to when we first started dating.
And I tell you how long we've been coming here. It's been, what is it, 2014?
Been a long time.
2025, so that's how long we've been
Been rocking.
rocking with it. I don't know.
All right, I'm about to dive in, y'all. See you in a minute. Dive in this taco. Perfect amount of crunch. Seasoned beef.
You try your rice yet?
Yeah, I tried a little bit of rice.
Trying to see what size so I can show y'all. Oh, here's the chicken right here. See? You got the chicken mixed in with that beef.
I'm trying to see how you like it. It's so hot. My nose running.
I'm about to take my little bite with the chicken.
Y'all hear that crunch? No, you've been coming here for so long.
I'm trying to, and for the most part, I always got something to take home.
Queso's all slap. Yeah, take a bite with me. I'm hopeful.
You tried the rice yet?
Bad thing about having a beard,
Always got food.
always, like my wife said, always got food on a beard. I call it the food catcher.
I tell them every time. Hey, you got food in your beard. You got food in your beard.
I just let it sit there too.
I'll forget it.
In fact, I'm gonna dip this in this queso.
I know that's what you do.
Look at that, y'all. Getting that queso. Ooh.
That's how you eat. That's how you
That queso sauce is delicious. You gotta get a good amount of that.
You put the sour cream on it yet?
This one of the first. By the time y'all see this video, I don't know if it's gonna be the first video, second or third. It'll be one of them.
You cut it down by a fork, you can make one roaster.
See y'all in a minute. That was good. Let me show y'all my food. All gone. All gone. How you feel? So you stuffed, huh?
Yep. Always so full.
Yeah, it
Trying
was
to see if
delicious.
I got room to eat some dessert or something.
I know, right? About to go to Dairy Queen. Y'all see that in the next video, though. They got some type of special. What'd you say they got?
It's like it's this thing they call it. It's like a cookie monster thing. They got cookies and cream, but it's blue. Like it's new came out. They got
It's a-
like a sundae.
it's a,
an ice cream
cone.
cone that you can dip.
Into cookies and cream?
Yeah, it's like cookies and cream and the coated like the. You know how they get the ice cream cone?
Yeah.
The one you used to get.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be dipped in the like. The cookies and cream is like in the coating. Like I can't explain it to you, but like.
All right, we're gonna go try it.
It's like it's gonna be good.
Yeah, so make sure y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, turn your post notifications on because we definitely gonna be doing this a lot. Because we eat good all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, whether at my mama house or your mama house, I'ma eat good.
We don't just go to the restaurant.
Right? We be throwing down in that
You
kitchen.
know how to cook at home too, so y'all stay tuned with that content. I want y'all to be thinking like, all they do is go out and eat. No, we cook too, so yeah, I don't want y'all thinking that. We beauty at home too in the house, not just out.
Like she said, we eat good.
We real foodies. What they call it. People who
Yeah.
like to eat, they call them foodies. That's us.
So y'all gonna see on the channel of us cooking, going out to dinner, going to fast food restaurant, trying new things, doing reviews on different things. So yeah, can we get a top of the sour cream too? And what else you said you wanted?
We wanted to put our
Oh, the points.
in for the,
Yeah,
we almost forgot.
yeah, you got a point system here. All right, y'all.